I'm going to trim up a half square triangle that I've put together, and I wanted to show you how I do it using this ruler. So this is the Stripology Squared Mini designed by Gudrun Erler, and I'm using some of her stickers as well, which I find really helpful just so I know where to place the ruler on top of the fabric. So this fabric here for this half square triangle is a lot bigger than it probably needs to be, but it just gives you a lot more sort of wiggle room. So in the middle here you'll see that it's got a 3.5 inch square, and that's the one that we're going to follow. So first off, I want to line up the diagonal line there with the diagonal line on the fabric of the half square triangle. And at the bottom here I've got these markers which shows me where I need to cut, because I'm not going back to 0 and then cutting 3.5 inches. You could do that, well actually you can't do that because you need to use these diagonal lines across the ruler. So I've placed those there so I can see exactly where I need to place my rotary cutter. So this measures across 3.5 inches. I'm just going to flip that around now, and this time I'll place the ruler back on the top, and I'm using this diagonal line here. I've got the stickers pointing to that, so that is in line with the fabric. I also want to make sure that this 3.5 inch line at the top and the bottom are in line with the fabric. So just take your time, get it in the right place, and then again I'm going to use these markers here for cutting the sides. And there we have a perfect 3.5 inch half square triangle with lovely points. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, I'll put an affiliate link in for the Stripology Squared Mini Ruler in the comments. Thank you.